video starting. Hello guys.
Hello guys, kagutan.
Guys, you don't understand. You better don't understand that.
Ito lang sa ko.
We're playing. Oh,
Bilbis.
I thought try hard me.
No.
Oh yeah.
Kasi,
Guys, don't mind why did we say try hard in the short. We wanted try hard but we changed into MM2. I only have one godly so far. I used to have a Cupid and also a Splash, but I traded for a godly. I traded for a Luger. I got a Luger and I regret trading it. It's super good. I just realized the Luger is super good. I forgot that it's super good.
Wait, can we trade? Can we trade now? Can we trade?
What do you have?
No, let me see what you have. Oh my god.
I have a Elantra.
Never mind. You have nothing good now. Trade you with my orange seer.
Do you know the Elantral 3 is better than an orange seer? Because seers are the worst weapon in the worst godlies in the game. Somehow I died. Were you murderer?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, I hate you. Wait, somebody has the same name as me, Angelo.
Angelo?
Yeah. You said that you needed a gun. I mean, you needed bro, you already have one. You lied.
I know, but it's just not.
Oh. I'm using the newspaper that you gave me. Change your avatar. No, that's the normal avatar you have to use for goddamn Riva. It's just your avatar. You're kind of tall. Look, I'm the normal avatar as well.
Why am I so tall now? What did you do?
I actually didn't do anything. Actually,
Try. Do you know that I know that you keep on going to my
the only thing that I told you to is like to change your avatar very tall, and after that you did, so you could be a fake Zepepi baddie in Brookhaven.
But I changed it to small, you big back. But I changed it to small.
I don't know then. Innocent. Guys, you could see that I'm innocent, right guys?
Liar.
I am not. How much money I have? I have 100 and 404. I'm saving up for the I'm saving up for the fire flame thing. Who's Sheriff?
Bro, I am with a bald guy who was. Wait, guys, I forgot.
Oh, you died?
In here to one.
Bro, was it like I see you and shoots you? I used to love what's going again classic knives to mythic a lot, but now I like godlies. My most favorite is Candy.
Try. Let's try.
But you have nothing good, and I don't like Sears because it took me so long to get another godly.
Not Sear. Can I have the hearts?
Okay, fine. Wait, I'm gonna get that. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. Let me. Wait. Can I have an uncommon, please? Never mind. You have no uncommon. So, okay.
Kana juice?
Ano, orange?
Imo na?
My mouth tastes weird because ang toothpaste.
I have to, kwan. Alput ito, kay na ida amigas lagi daghan. Ayaw, butang ni diha, dah. Buk na puta na amigas.
Okay, trade me.
Drink ko. Ayaw, ibutang lagi diha.
Okay, can you trade me now?
Alright, so
Okay. Hearts? You want hearts? You want your news back?
nah. I like gold.
Okay.
How can I see what am I?
I don't know. Just trade now. Innocent.
Yo. How did you see? How did you see? How did you see?
Huh? Because we done trading, you big back.
Innocent, but just go.
I'm drinking while bro, I'm lagging and I'm drinking while playing, so I have to be AFK. I'm almost done drinking. Guys, you could see that I'm innocent, right?
Tired.
Bulak ka uta yan. Bukiin naman. Bulak ka uta, bukiin na.
When I finish the bacon.
Okay, back.
But you know what, guys? Let me wear headphones. Troy, I know you were the murderer.
Yeah.
I knew it, Troy. I knew it.
No! Bro, this box, I stabbed him. GG's.
I have to eat, Troy. I have to eat.
Then how are we gonna do the video?
Troy,
Yeah?
I didn't see what I'm going to make. I got innocent.
Yeah, same. I'm trading. I said yo-yo. But I think he's AFK. Oh, I found who's murderer. It's the guy with the black jacket that was murdered that killed you when you were standing still. Nah, bro, camping legitly. Nah, bro, legitly camping. Bro, he was camping, but bro was not camping enough. Then I shot him. I mean, not shot him. I won. Yeah, I won. I forgot that we're making a video, and that's been 8 minutes. So, guys, sorry that we forgot. I didn't technically forgot, but I didn't talk to you a lot. This video is only gonna be 14 because I have to go out. 14 or we still have time, maybe 20, right? Roland, are you AFK? Hello? Oh yeah, you're AFK now. Bro, can you trade me, please? Can this guy trade me? Cause I'm gonna trade him my entral for one of his godly. Cause he has good godly. Oh my goodness, he declined.
Innocent.
I got innocent too. I got innocent too. What's
Let
that?
me hide.
Okay. Oh, never mind. I thought you were murderer. That's why I was about to shoot you, but gladly I didn't. Who's murderer?
Is that girl? Very good.
No, if I die, yeah, I will. Ah! No, okay, I died in the hallway.
Let's go yan.
Ay. bro, bro risk his life to just shot you.
Bro shot me. Why?
Yeah.
He shot me.
I know, I was spectating. I was about to spectate. When I was about to spectate you, it made me spectate the girl. And after that, the girl shot you. Skip, bro.
Wala man ang sa lapaw.
Do you have faceless on? Yeah, I have my faceless on. No, bro, shot the murderer. I just realized Diva joined.
Yeah. Do you want the trade?
What you have?
The orange seal.
Remember, I don't like Sears, and it took me so long to get another thing aside of a seer. It took me like 1 day to find another godly because of the seer.
Oh, nagkauyab, nag-destroy.
Of course not. Forgot to tell you, I got innocent, and then I found where you're hiding.
Nice.
I was like about to go in the tunnel, but I actually slipped here, and I was like, who's that? And then I realized it was you. Oh my goodness, Roland. Ah, bro. I don't know.
Why?
The murder? Yeah.
Nagkakuha na ka, uyab na ka.
I said no.
Why man?
I don't know. Bro, I saw you being toxic. Like, at the last second, I saw you being toxic, actually. I don't know what you two are. I don't know what. Bro, Roland, look at these people. Roland, be fast. Look at them. Bro, they were fighting, and after that, they were too long. Bro, you took too long. I want to get Sheriff again. If you get Sheriff, I want to get Murder. Oh my goodness, innocent. Huh? At least we got mill base. I'm not trusting you this time, Roland, actually. So I'm going to hide. Oh yeah, you're not the murderer, so I could trust you because you don't have the flame effect. I'm saving up for the. What should I buy? The flame effect or the toxic effect? It's just the same as the. It's just the same as the other one.
Bro, for me, bro, effects are. What's this?
For me, it's good. It upgrades. It upgrades you like your weapon or something.
That's definitely toxic.
Sabi, mag-jeep sa klahos. Ano sa buhay?
Ano sa may sudan na to?
I thought this guy was stuck in the. Look, Roland. Oh, never mind. They were like fighting, like, and after that, they stopped. I'm gonna choose a leaf. I'm gonna wear the leaf or not. I don't know. I'll just wear the enteral. I really want the candy.
Asa na itong akong sublight? Where's my comb?
I don't know. Innocent. Okay, purple. Ay, dara. Ang purple. Ang purple?
Ah! Innocent again? Why always innocent?
Who died? Ah!
Customer!
Mama kisses. Why am I going slow? I was going slow. Why was I going slow actually? It's that guy with it's that green guy.
The green guy?
The green and yellow guy. Girl or guy? Green and yellow. It's your time to escape, bro. It's your time escaping. Before he gets you, she gets you. Oh, bro, the gun was there. The gun's there, bro. Bro, that guy shot the wrong person. Shot. Bro, gladly that guy protected you.
It's called the juke!
Bro, your avatar is tall, so you could juke. Bro, there's so much people now in the server.
How did I just do that?
Isn't that then don't we do that every single? Oh my goodness, this girl doesn't have any. This girl doesn't have any. Bro, this girl doesn't have any
Anyone?
godlies, and she's super good. Guys,
Why not innocent even though I won?
no, you only get that in MMZ. You only get a murderer or sheriff if you win in MMZ, not MMV or 2, or try hard or KMM or catalog, right, or catalog a murder mystery.
Joy, when I said I did a murderer,
Did you hear that killing and I was beside you?
bro, I am now wearing headphones today, okay?
I'm lagging. Well, you got one round, I think. You won one round, so you got one round out of 6.
When I finish to come first.
I don't know. Ah! Oh my goodness.
It's good. What the fuck is wrong with the hitbox?
Remember we're recording.
Hitbox.
Hey,
Box! Oh my god, po yan, hitbox! Go away. So I can have a strawberry.
you know you cannot trade effects in this game.
Yes, you can. You boss.
You cannot. You can only do pets and weapons. Look.
Where's this last guy? Pwede mo nabuko ka.
What happened? Guys, I think we're not. Rolla, never mind. Let's not hide na lang.
What do you mean hide?
I mean 1v1.
Why?
Cause we have to, bro. You remember I have to go somewhere, so we have to spend our time on public now.
Troy, I forgot about one, Troy.
What? Red House?
Guys, we're so sorry guys for not talking to you.
Kabi sa
Yeah, actually, we have no idea what to talk. We just made this video for absolute no reason.
Yes, I gotta share it. I gotta share it. I gotta share it.
Okay, I got shot.
What are you?
I got innocent, and I have a 16% of getting murderer.
I have 20% of getting murdered.
Bruh, lucky. I'm outside, and I heard that from the inside, so that. Bro, this guy is fighting to the wall. Who's the
But
murderer?
where's the bird?
I don't
But
know.
where's the bird?
I don't know. Can you shoot me? You're shooting.
I am not shooting you.
What if I'm the murderer?
Then I'll shoot you.
What if I'm not? Oh.
How did her again?
I don't know. I'm actually juking her real bad. Not gonna never mind. I haven't even juked her. Only once. Guys, I'm scared. Oh, you died? Guys, don't mind what is he doing. He's raging out. Rage quit, I mean.
I shot her the bubo. Alikuwa na imaoy.
Where's the
And then, so
gun?
if you're watching this, fucking fix your hitbox, dude. If you see, like, bro, fix your hitbox and then to
Also,
fix your hitbox. Fix your hitbox. Okay, worse. Then make the gun very high. Fix your hitbox.
no! I've been juking her a lot until I died. Okay, let's see new. The new.
The game na okay.
This one. Okay. The new person that joined didn't have a godly. Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now?
Sharky. I want Sharky.
You cannot get Sharky because you don't have any. Cause it's a legendary. And legendary is up. Wait, let me see. What's a Sharky again? No, a Sharky is epic. Epic, I think.
I hate you. I'm gonna work this. Come on, para na ako. Okay ba na ito?
Ooh, somebody has. Oh wait, somebody named Ida that has so much. Has a good. She left at the last second when I was about to trade her. I hate her. Is it just? Is it just me or a rage bait if somebody declines a good if somebody trades me two godlies and that's two godlies and I'm happy even if she's lower at least and she declines because she says it's lower. What a freak. You need, huh?
I wanna punch the one of Fraggles now. That's it, bro. I am starting to spam, bro. If I get murdered, bro, I'm spamming.
I'm lagging, guys.
I am turning on my aircon so I can knock in.
Guys, I'm lagging. Ah! I'm lagging, so wait, I'm lagging as far. Wait, I'm lagging. Wait. I'm joking you as bad even if I'm lagging. Bro, I was joking you so much even if I was lagging. Bro, I cannot even walk. Oh my goodness, they let me walk in the lobby.
Huh? You were literally just walking.
They wouldn't let me like the game moves by itself for a longer time. Like if I let go, it goes longer. Very annoying. I'm not sure if they could see that. Wait a minute. I don't know where to get. Wait, let me find where you. I know a Sharky is. You're doing the splits at the same time.
I'm not.
Guys, he's raging out real bad. Oh, guys, I realized it has been 25 minutes. Last run, and this video is going down now. Guys, you only had seen me got murder or sheriff. I haven't even got murder. I only got murdered once. Let me put my...
Really, I got sheriff.
Bro, this is last round and the video's going down. Last round na niya.
I got sheriff.
Lucky. I haven't got murderer only once. Wait, if you yeah, shoot that guy. Shoot that guy. Shoot it. Pretend to shoot.
Oh no.
Shoot that guy lagi. He's murderer. Look, he's killing people. Ang bacon ba?
Ooh!
The bacon.
But where is the bacon?
Let me check here if he's in this side. He's in this side. Wait, you stay there. Check behind you always, okay? Yeah, he's behind you.
Where is
I died. Okay, guys. Okay, Roland, stop raging. Quit now. We have to end the video. He left. Okay, so bye, guys. So bye, guys. The video's ending. This is my friend, by the way. So bye. B, guys, and he left the call. So bye.